Okay, good morning. It's day 4. We're gonna arrive in the Bahamas soon. But right now we're going to breakfast.
No, sure to make the noise. You ready? Yeah. Normally I do my fake looking to the door, but the secret to the trick is your foot makes the loud noise. I'm not wearing the right shoe, so it just doesn't work. But I'm going to substitute this as my noise.
Back at morning trivia. Our great team. I'm right now playing telephone with them, basically. Trying to tell them the answers because we're so far away and all we hear is music. So, anyways, here, we're going back. So I haven't walked at the Park Cafe yet, so this is my first time. Dad tells me it's great. Oh my god, that's a lot. Oh.
Like 5 home?
I remember asparagus, chicken.
I know, thank you.
Some 5 home.
With desserts over here.
Cassie,
Thank you. You too. Alright, I don't know what this is, but I got it. Okay, we are going to be trying this dessert I just got. The random Rice Krispie treat. Oh!
Nice one, Cassie.
I look like one of those CGI characters. You know that guy, like the tentacle guy from like the Johnny Depp movie, what's it called? Pirates of the Caribbean?
Johnny Depp movie?
This is the donut I took 2 bites of and said I would have the whole thing. Anyways, we are heading to the Bahamas. We made it to we made it to a Cabbage Beach. I know.
This is
Feels like we're hiking right now. Okay, so we made it to the ocean. I just went in right now. Pretty darn good, man. Compliments of the chef. What do we get, bro?
We're loyal to royal, baby.
Ooh! What do we got?
You can take that. You can take that.
That looks like red velvet. I'll take
It's
it.
red velvet.
You can take these two.
I'll take these two.
That's good to me. I'm getting dressed for Caribbean night, even though we're not going to the main dining room. We're going to Wonderland, which is one of the specialty restaurants. So we're gonna see how it is. What?
Attack of the Hanger.
Menu complete.
William is about to open a book of secret. There you go. You're ready. Wow. Magically your menu appeared. Good stuff. There you go. Slowly, but surely. Cheers.
That's gonna be a sweet Cosmo. Blueberry.
What do you mean the bunny doesn't go hard?
Okay. I've heard about this one.
Oh yeah,
So
and we also
curious.
got what is this? Crab cakes?
Wasabi.
Wasabi crab cakes.
Yes.
Love to try it. Oh.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. It's
Whoa.
so cool. Oh my goodness.
You started your dinner with painting, right?
That
Now
is
main course on a
ridiculous.
painter's tray, like a colorful dip. Creamy white color sauce, apple sauce, yellow color pumpkin butternut squash, beetroot relish of red and yellow beetroot. Some bordelais red wine delusion sauce. In the shape of apple, red apple, but wow! Raspberry blackberry mousse. Magic apple, sweet lemon yogurt curd,
Oh, it's so good.
raspberry blackberry mousse. And inside this beautiful
It's so
world,
cool. Watch.
Watch, Liam.
something special waiting for you. Wow.
Oh, there it goes.
We have a beautiful
Whoa.
world. Smells magically. Inside this beautiful world, we have a chocolate ganache with a peanut butter mousse. Resting on top is a salted caramel ice cream. And now we have something special.
So we just came back from Wonderland, busting full. That was so good. Anyways, the ship is about to sail, and we're gonna go check it out. So me and Dad are at Bionic Bar right now.
The Bionic
The
Bar.
Bionic Bar. And
They're placing in the water. I want you to see from start to finish like that. The Bionic Bar. You do.
yep. Chat, that's kind of awkward. I could never do one of those silent parties. I don't know, it just seems awkward just dancing in like silence.
And then like just talking. Yeah, look. I got it.
Whoa! We're at karaoke and Marissa and Shay are about to sing.